Hello, this is Paradox Studios, and this song is called Air Raid. Originally, I was supposed to collab with someone for it. However, it didn't really turn out so well. We had back and forth arguments and such. And I just decided after all this time to make it myself, so I hope you enjoy.
You better get yourself to cover, or you'll be blown asunder. Bullets send you 6 feet under. Turn a fat guy walking into a runner. Where is everybody at, man? I wonder. I thought I seen them all running by the numbers. Should've none of them tripped and fell for blunder. Picked themselves up, locked outside of somewhere. But it's only a quick bombing run, don't overreact. Your goal is AA guns and planes, another attack. So wait, I thought I say jump in the back. I thought I heard a performance of Brand about the bag. It's little gelato. Attempt to fix his pockets with guapo. The cultural appropriation abominations. I spray venom to stop their hearts before I chop with lyrical cleavers. Unlawful, raw, and awful. I'ma pop him every shot, I'ma drop him. And FM echoes, no problem. Encrypt, not gonna be stopping. My accuracy razor sharp and I snipe him out with precision. I'm loaded with ammunition to kill them all. It's my mission to stay out of the kitchen. Listen, wait till I go chop this beat into many parts. Psycho, I know, obviously tearing you apart.
Art of the best.
Peridot with so many rhymes of stock you can trade and invest. So many crazy animations across the nation, now be impressed. Make my videos to the grades and soon I'll be going with them. Till then,
And I'm the Doomslayer with beats as I tear and rip them.
light 'em up, air raid sent death from above. Stopping's not an option, not like Walter White, we came to knock. Light 'em up, fire bullets, now you're done. Walk in the house with bad intentions, pop the clock and watch you drop. Light 'em up, air raid send death from above. Stopping's not an option, not like Walter White, we came to knock. Light 'em up, fire bullets, now you're done. Walk in the house with bad intentions, pop the clock and watch you drop. Fast and a rhyme and that sound like a siren. Go off like a rhino and Sephiroth resides to me. See what's inside of me. Dark with the dark, he's shaded the bar. You bar with the heartbeat, you start with the bar. You butter some Barney and through the stars. You call me Bendy, the 18-minute pen me next to me. Less to be the remedy. Many things less than me, attempting to get to me. Blessed be those who don't mess with me. Or else it was to be peace.
Man down! Get a medic over here! Now! Hurry, before he bleeds out! 10-4, soldier. What's your location? Over.
I'm between a rock and a hard place, hardly able to make it to a crawl space. They got me, I looked about me not because they were far away, but obviously not because I flipped them around and they were on top of me. Bullets rain death from above, so I gotta be looking for the nearest AA gun. The shot at me, where are my other fronts when I need them? Oh, lock me, hunker down, I bunker down, it looks like they've forgotten me. Lippin' haven't hit the dirt, how could it get any worse? Lead and lay for bullet burns, firm as a knot from a cloth-ripped shirt. Another plane coming, better run for the ditch. Pretty safe now, how did I out for this? Air defense is now destroyed, the rounds deployed 1,000 towards the house is void, a loud explosion, now it's hopeless. I don't know where the coast is blocked, the chance is shot to bits.
That's the situation you'll be in if you mess with us. Cause we don't pull punches, we cut you up and you must be lunch. Fresh returns with the sour salad mixed with your brain and chunks. Simmer the liver for dinner, finna get the gravy and stuff. Love you so much, he's the game is full of I'm hungry. I'm new and young and you want me. I got the skills with the money. Got all these bars and I'm running. I'm ready, sharp and I'm bloody. Like stainless blades are still cutting your wrist. Light 'em up, air raid sent death from above. Stopping's not an option, not like Walter White, we came to knock. Light 'em up, fire bullets, now you're done. Walk in the house with bad intentions, pop the clock and watch you drop. Light 'em up, air raid sent death from above. Stopping's not an option, not like Walter White, we came to knock. Light 'em up, fire bullets, now you're done. Walk in the house with bad